All new this morning. Do you ever think about this? Our cell phones harbor loads of bacteria and germs. So how dirty could your cell phone be?
This is the one we've all been waiting
Yes.
for. What is living on Scot Haney's cell phone? Eva Zamaris has the answer. America awaits word. Eva, what is it?
Well, you're going to have to wait a couple more minutes for the results, but good morning. We've heard it all. Your cell phone carries 10 times more bacteria than most toilet seats, gross, or that each square inch of your cell phone contains roughly 25,000 germs. So we wanted to check this out for ourselves. So we did a little bit of a science experiment here. So we sent out samples from Eric, Irene, Nicole, and Scott's phones out to a lab. We're getting a closer look at Scott's now. Scott looked on as morning show executive producer Joe swabbed his phone to find out how dirty it is. He first swabbed it as is. Joe then cleaned Scott's phone with a wipe and swabbed it down again.
And retested again to compare a dirty one versus the clean one.
These samples were sent to EMSL Analytical in Wallingford to be tested for bacteria. Gloria Oriole, microbiology manager at EMSL, explained Scott's results to us.
It's completely clean.
Just like Irene and Eric's phone, no bacteria was detected on either swabs. The same couldn't be said for Nicole's phone.
We found Staphylococcus and Deutzia species, very low concentrations.
We spoke with Dr. Joseph Gardner of the Hospital of Central Connecticut to find out what you can do.
If you touch objects that other people have touched, there will inevitably be some bacteria there. But on a given cell phone, you don't really know what's on it, and that's why hand sanitization, cleaning your cell phone periodically makes a lot of sense.
Well, the results definitely surprised me. So just to quickly recap, only Nicole's came back with some bacteria detected. But like I said, very low concentration. So nothing, no cause for concern.
No, that doesn't make anyone feel better, Eva.
No.
I think Scott borrowed my cell phone before.
That's why we have these.
Have you guys been like wiping as I like touch all over? Have you guys been wiping down the desk?
Nicole gets up to do traffic and we're cleaning our hands and the desk.
It definitely is nervous though when you hear the word like stab.
Yeah.
And,
all right, interesting stuff.
Absolutely, and we'll of course have everything right on our Channel 3 app if you missed any of the unveilings and reveals throughout the show this morning.
But all you need to know is Nicole's phone.
Nicole's.
Scott, over to you.
Nicole is the winner.
I cannot believe it. It's amazing. My cell phone is clean.